Welcome to the Audacity tutorial part 2. In part 1, we saw how to record or input audio to the Audacity application. In this video, we will see the basics of audio editing, such as removing unwanted portions of the track, copying content and pasting it to another location, understanding the difference between copy paste and cut paste, using zoom, undo, redo, etc. Once you import the audio, you may see two layers as it appears on the screen, or you may also see a single layer. We call two tracks stereo tracks, and if the audio content appeared on a single track, we call it a mono track. This variation may be due to the device that you recorded. You need not worry about the number of layers that are appearing on your screen, as these are purely technical. Even though, while editing, it makes no difference, while exporting the final work of your project, there may arise a few cases which we explain in the upcoming videos. For basic audio editing, an important tool is the selection tool. As the name itself indicates, the selection tool is used to select some portion of the track. By default, in Audacity, this tool is selected. To do the editing, you should listen to the recorded audio carefully. You can note a few of your observations along with their duration to get better work done with the editing. You can see the present position of the audio here with this status bar. For example, if I place my cursor here, the audio position shows that this is in 13th second. If I put my cursor here, it shows that the audio position is in the 42nd seconds. Now, let us listen to our audio for a few seconds. Let me place my cursor at the beginning and click on this play icon.
It is my first day at school. Mummy is holding my hand and walking with me. I am grown up now. I say, let go, let go. Mummy holds my hand very tight.
Now, if you have listened to the audio carefully, then you might have noticed in the very beginning of this audio, somewhere at this point, there is a lip sound. If you want to observe the sound carefully, then the best method is to zoom into that portion. To zoom in on that portion, you can click this plus icon which represents it as zooming in. Now, if I click, the portion where I placed the track pointer gets zoomed in. Similarly, the zoom out also works. Whenever you click on zoom out, one point will be zoomed out. Now, to observe this portion carefully, what I do is select this portion and continuously press spacebar. For example, now I press the spacebar. This is the way in which you can carefully observe your audio at this portion. Now it is very clear that this portion has unwanted content which I can delete from my track. To do that, first I need to select the track as I have selected, then click edit and there is an option called delete. If I click on delete, that unwanted portion will be removed directly from the track. Alternatively, I can also select any particular portion and then press delete on keyboard. Carefully, if I select this portion, it plays.
Let go, let go.
Consider that in this scenario, the narrator should have said let go 4 times, not 2 times. In that case, you need not re-record it. Rather, you can use important feature of Audacity, which is copy paste. Now to copy paste, first you need to select the portion. Let me take this portion and there is an option here called copy, or I can use the keyboard shortcut, that is Ctrl C. I'll click on this. Then I place the cursor here. There is an option called paste. or I can use keyboard shortcut, that is Control V. Now if I play this,
Let go, let go, let go, let go.
in this way, you can copy paste content in the track. The basic difference between copy paste and cut paste is that copy paste will have the content in the original place as well as in the destination place, whereas cut paste acts as the movement of one piece of track to some other location. At any point in time, if you feel like getting back to the previous stage, you can click on the undo button. For example, if you think let go should have appeared only 2 times, not 4 times, but you have already done the copy paste operation, then you can click this undo button to get back to the previous stage. The redo option is opposite of the undo option, which takes the action back. At some point, you may want your project to fit the width of your screen. For such operations, you can click this option. The use of this is whenever you will be zoomed in on a particular portion and you feel lost in between the tracks and you want to get back to the project in one shot. In that case, it will be very helpful. In the next video, we will see how we can amplify our audio, how to reduce the noise, and how to add echo effect to the audio. Thank you.